You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly in English. I know it's very confusing, and many people pronounce it different ways, correctly, incorrectly. Stay tuned, by the way, if you want to learn more correct pronunciations in English. The British English pronunciation first. The American English is slightly different. Tome. Tome is the UK pronunciation. Tome. Alright, if you pronounce it this way, it's perfectly correct, and you're safe. Tome. Now, the American English pronunciation is as tome. Tome, alright, so it's a slightly different sound. It's a tome sound, while the British English pronunciation is as tome. Can you hear the difference? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.